So currently we're going to Mendocoro, no? And usually yung problem is the parking spot like this one. Usually street side parking pag pupunta dito, no? But I'll show you a spot where you can basically park your car when you go to here, to eat here. So ayan, madadaanan na natin si Mendocoro. Yan, haba usually ng pila dyan. That's Mendocoro. This is Frankie's. And we will gonna park sa V Corporate Tower. So that one is the entrance to the V Corporate Tower parking. So 50 pesos for the first 2 hours, then 30 for every succeeding. Evening po. Yeah. Thank you. So dito, just get a ticket. Cash payment only. So ito yung parking later.
Gotcha.
Itadab ko na lang yung...
So we're in the parking.
Oh, we're in the parking. We're gonna find a spot. We're gonna find something near the entrance.
I see the entrance.
Yeah, you see the entrance. But there's no parking spot. So we go to B2.
And that one is called the...
Let's try sa B2.
We're in B2.
Ayun, there's a spot.
Side parking. Go on this one.
Eto, marami pala.
There's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I think there's like hundreds.
You count it already? So the elevator ticket acts like access card for, the parking ticket acts. Parang you can use it as access card sa elevator and also sa gate. Oh, going up.
What?
Ground floor.
We're in the elevator.
Dito.
Snowman.
Go. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Dito tayo sa That's Mendocoro. This is Morodori.